Hey guys, the first technology site I wanted to talk about was KAHNacademy.org. I know that most teachers know about KAHN Academy and they use it for different grade levels and varying things. It's an awesome resource, but what I really like about it as a high school teacher is the SAT portion of the website. My audience would be students and teachers, because a lot of teachers don't know about the SAT things and the cool things that it does. My ITSE standards for this are L1C and C4B. And let's take you through this. So when you get into the SAT section of KAHN Academy, the first thing it's asking you is, have you taken the SAT before? And if you have, it's going to import your scores from the College Board and use that to personalize your practice schedule. So we'll say we haven't taken it yet. Go to the next question. Again, you can sign into the College Board. We'll do it later. Okay, so now we're moving on. So here's one of the cool things I really like about it. So you can download your scores and it'll help you. You can also take a diagnostic quiz. We'll show you that in a minute. That'll give you a starting point if you haven't taken the test on things you need to work on. And it'll personalize your testing based on those diagnostic quizzes. So one of the best things I like about it, especially as a father of some teenagers, this was amazing. So you go to choose your practice schedule. Okay, you're going to put in what your actual test date is. They've got them all preloaded in here. So let's say we're taking the one in August. Go to next. They're going to email it, what email that the reminders are going to be sent to. And then it's going to give you some information. It says you need to take at least 3 practice tests before your test date. And there's tips and strategies to use for that. So we're going to say those are okay, but you can set whatever you want. Then your practice schedule. I want to do this 5 days a week for 15 minutes, or I want to do this, 4 days a week for 30 minutes. And they're going to send you a reminder at whatever time you tell it to. And this was the best thing for having teenagers, is being able to get this reminder. Oh yeah, I got to do SAT practice today. Okay, so you create your schedule. As soon as you create your schedule, it pops up and says, hey, let's take a reading quiz, let's take a math quiz. And those are your baselines for you to use to be able to set up your personalized testing practice. On this site, there are full tests. So you can go through a whole full SAT practice test, which is really good for kids. I don't have the College Board sign on to be able to show you that, but that is really neat because it actually imports those scores, and then based on however many times you've taken it, it builds this specific practice schedule of things you need to work on based on those specific scores. And it gives you a little calendar here and shows you what to do. It's a really cool program. Once you practice, as you practice and you get good or bad results, it's going to continue to change and adapt the testing personalized just for you, so you can get a better score. So the SAT part of KAHN Academy is awesome. I recommend that, I'm going to make sure that my school counselors have this and know about it. I show it to all of my high school students, my juniors and seniors. Make sure they know that it's there and it's free and that it's a great resource.